This film supplements the instructions for use and aids understanding. The film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use, nor does it eliminate the need to provide the prescribed induction or training. The Dräger X-am 8000 provides a measurement wizard for carrying out the measurements in confined spaces. Open the menu in measuring mode and select the confined space option. This function can be configured to appear before or after the password. Then follow the prompts given by the wizard. The calculated flooding time shows the minimum waiting time required to route gas from the sampling point to the sensors. The instrument calculates the flooding time based on the entered hose length, the measurement gas setting, and the temperature thresholds. The leak search function has a similar structure. This function is likewise selected via the menu. Once the pump test is completed successfully, a window will appear in which the gases can be displayed in the form of a bar chart. This improves the overview. The diagrams show the current values and the peak values. In single gas view, an audible signal sounds at the same time. The frequency of this signal increases as the gas concentration rises. If a gas reaches the pre-alarm threshold, the gas alarm is displayed. There is also a wizard for a measurement using a photoionization detector with pre-tubes for a selective measurement. This function is only available if the device has a PID sensor and a pump. During PID pre-tube measurement, the visual, audible, and vibration alarms and the alarm evaluation function are deactivated. At the same time, the target gas and the peak values are shown on the display. None of the other sensors are active. To mount a pre-tube holder, first screw the pump adapter, including the filter, onto the device. After this, the pre-tube holder can be attached once the wizard is asking for this. Optionally, you can also use a short probe. To carry out a measurement with the photoionization detector and pre-tube, open the menu. And select the benzene pre-tube option. You will then see a dialog for the fresh air calibration. Carry out this step using a carbon pre-tube or skip the step by left-clicking on X. During this process, the carbon pre-tube will remove any existing hydrocarbons. Follow the prompts given by the wizard. Next, select the pre-tube you require. The options are benzene and humidity. Open the Dräger tube you have selected. And fit it into the pre-tube holder. Pay attention to the direction of the arrow. The arrow on the tube must be pointing towards the device. Then confirm the dialog on the instrument. Now follow the prompts given by the wizard. To close the wizard, select the X symbol in measuring mode and then confirm the dialog.